We are back for today's feed formulation. We have treated super starter, starter, grower, finisher for broilers, and we have done chick mash for pullets. We have done grower mash. Today we are ending everything about broiler and layers with layers feed formulation. Let's go there. After this particular video now, the next video will be on breeder stock. If you're going into hatchery, you're going into day-old production, you're going into chick breeding, you're going to make use of that particular feed called brewer's feed. We still have turkey feed. I will still give you one video content on turkey feed. See, turkey feed is different from other poultry feed. That is why most of you that are into turkey production, your turkey hardly grow faster, because you are using poultry feed meant for chickens for your turkey. Turkey needs higher crude protein content feed than that of normal broilers and starter feed. So let's treat layers feed now. The next video will be on breeders. Then after breeders, I will now give you feed formula for turkey. Turkey use different crude protein, about 20% crude protein, which is higher than any of the poultry birds. Let me not talk too much. Let's start with our layers feed. Here, our layers feed now, we are starting with, we are still dealing with the same few ingredients. Layers feed formulation, 100 kg. Number one here is maize, our maize. Our maize is number one. Number two here is SBM. Our number three here is GNC. Our number four here is wheat offer. Our number five here is bone meal. Please, since it's layers feed, let's start with limestone first, because of eggshell. Number six is bone meal. Our number seven here is salt. Number 8 here is premise. That is vitamin and minerals. Our number 9 here is DL-methionine. Our number 10 is L-lysine. Now, our number 11 is Toxin binder. Then, if you want to add preservative, maybe you want your feed to stay longer, you can put enzyme. Enzyme is also good. This toxin binder is good. You can put enzyme as number 12. That is enzyme. If you don't need it, you can leave the enzyme, then continue with others. This is where we are starting. Now, we have our, let's start with, for layers feed, corn is always higher in quantity because of the energy content. Layers needs higher percentage of energy for them to lay. You know, laying eggs is not easy. If you know mothers, what they suffer in labor room, that's exactly what layers does when they want to lay egg. So that is why they need a lot of energy in laying. So the energy content comes from the maize, most especially. So the maize need to be higher. So our maize here is going to be 58 kg. Then our SBM is going to be 16 kg. Then our GNC here is going to be 8 kg. Let's use 8 kg. Then wheat offal, we can use wheat offal 9 kg. Assuming our limestone here, because of the eggshell, need to be higher a bit, we need 6 kg. Then bone meal also, we need 2 kg. Our salt, here, salt will give 0.30 kg. Vitamin and mineral premix is very important, 0.25 kg. Our methionine is good also, 0.10 kg. Our lysine is necessary, 0.05 kg. Toxin binder is also good, 0.25 kg. Then enzyme, you can put 0.05 kg. It's good also. So if you get all this, you're going to get some within 100 kg. If you add them up, between 100 or 100 point something, this is. Now, for the protein content, these are the feed material that give you protein. These ones, limestone does not give you anything. It gives you only minerals. So we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. Layers does not need too much of, they don't need too much quantity of crude protein. They need lesser protein. So their protein content should be lower. So here, let's calculate this and see the protein content of this particular feed. We are starting with crude protein calculation. CP. CP means crude protein calculation. Now, we are starting with maize. Our maize is 58. That will give us 58. What is the crude protein of maize? Is 8.5 or within 8.5 to 9%. So we are using yellow corn here. Yellow corn is always 9%. White corn is 8.5 times 9% equals either 9 or divide by 100 anyone, which is equals to 5.22. Anyway, you want to use, make use of it, please. I use 9 times 9 divided by 100, anyone. Now we use SBM. Here is 16 kg. We make it 16 times SBM is 44 to 45, maybe 44%, which will give us 7.04. Our GNC is 44, 45. Then this will give us 8 times 45%, which is equals to 3.60. Now, wheat offer is always 15 to 16%. That will give us 9 times 16% equals to 1.44. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are the major energy and crude protein content. Add up all this. If you add this, what will it give us? That will give us 5.22 plus 7.04 plus 3.60 plus 1.44. That's which will give us total crude protein equals to 17.3%. That is 17. So you see that layers feed 17% is good. Please don't go away. Let's calculate the metabolizable energy of this particular content or this feed after this short break. Don't go away. Now let's go to the metabolizable energy, which is the major metabolizable energy. ME or this feed. That's the metabolism energy. Now you need to know the natural energy content of all this feed. Then you multiply it by the quantity you add and you get the energy. Now let's start with this. Energy will give us, for maize is 58 times energy for maize is 3,350, which will give us equals to, this will give us 194.30 calories per kg. Then the next one is, please, if you don't know how we get this energy content, I've treated nutritional composition of all the feed ingredients we're making use of here. I've done all of them. Watch the video, and one good thing is that all the whole video is in the same channel. Start from the day we started everything about poultry feed formulation. Start from coming up, you see the nutritional analysis of all the feed ingredients, they are there. So you see each of the ingredients have natural nutritional composition, both the crude protein, the fat, crude fiber, the minerals and vitamins, the energy content of all the feed ingredients, both rice bran, wheat offal, groundnut cake, corn meal, soybean meal, fish meal, and others. Now let's go back to the soybean. Soybean will give us 16%. 16. That will give us 16 times the energy content is 2.450. You see it. We are putting 2 point because it's under 100. Under 100%. That's why we're putting 2 point, which will give us 39.200 per kg. The next one is GNC. GNC is 8 kg. That will give us 8 times 2.500. That is energy content is 2,400 calories per kilogram. Since we multiply by percentage, 100%, that way we put 2.5 now. This will give us equals to 20.000 per kg. Then the next one is wheat offal. We are using 6 kg here. Wheat offal is 6. This will give us, wheat offal is 9 kg, please. 9 kg. This will give us 9 times 1.800, which is equals to, this will give us 16.0200 per kg. Now we need to add up this plus this plus this plus this. Total energy content, total metabolizable energy is equal to 2697 per kg. This is the energy content of this feed. Now you can still go to the fat. If you want to get the fat, see what you do. The fat, crude fat. What is the crude fat of corn? Corn is about 10%. Now what you do is 58 times 10 divided by 100. Soybean is about 12%. What you do is 16 times 12 divided by 100. Then wheat offal, the same thing. At the end, you add up. If you do get this, add on. That will give you the total fat. If you want to get the crude fiber, check the fiber content. Go to the nutritional analysis of this. Get the fiber content of maize, soybean, groundnut cake, wheat offal, and that's all. These ones are only minerals. They don't have any vitamin, or it's only minerals and vitamins alone. They don't have energy. They don't have protein. They don't have fat. There's no protein in limestone. Limestone is only mineral, phosphorus and potassium. Salt, there's no protein in salt. These ones are minerals and vitamins. So all you get there at the end, you get, that's why you get the nutritionalness of all this. This feed, let me clean it and give you what I calculated when I got. I can't finish all now because I don't want this video to be longer than this. If I finish the whole calculation here, this video will be longer than 20 to 30 minutes. But let me cut it short. I've done the crude protein, I've done the fat, I've done the metabolism energy. You can still follow the suit and do the rest, other calculations by yourself. Go to the nutritional analysis of all these feed, one after the other. Get their natural nutrient content. Then use it with the percentage of inclusion and you multiply by 100. You get it. Now, what is the content of this feed? Let me clean this well. Now what we have here is we have done the CP. CP equals 27.3%. Now energy, we have done the energy is equal to 26697 per kg. Crude fat 3.40%. That's the fat. Calcium, based on this formula here, calcium is 3.06%. Available phosphorus is give us 0.65%. Then this is what this feed contains. This is nutritional analysis of this particular feed. If you have any question regarding this topic or any other topic we have treated, please be free to drop it on the comment section, and wait for the feed formulation for breeder stock and turkey. You're going to get one formula for turkey, one formula for breeder stock, so that we conclude everything about this particular feed formulation. Then I go back to my organic poultry medications. Thank you for watching. Please share this video to reach more poultry farmers. What are you waiting for? Join our channel membership. Just click join membership, click join, use your bank card and register. Most of you are afraid, so asking me for my personal account so that they can pay. No, don't pay into my account. This membership does not belong to me. It goes straight to the channel, and you are properly 100% secured using your bank card on this app. Google is well secured. You can use it. Nobody will scam you. After all, the bank app we are using, who developed this? It's not all of them are installed under Google also. So if they're not scamming the banks, why can they scam you? Nobody is not compromised. Your card is not compromised at all. Use your card and join our channel membership. You're not the only one. I'm not the only content creator or educational content creator on YouTube. Others are doing it. So if they have members also, why not join them so that you contribute to developing this particular channel? Thank you for watching. Those of you that are already members, thank you. You are blessed. From next week, I'll start creating content for only members. So those content, only members can watch them. Those videos from next week. Once I'm through with feed formulation, others, poultry breeding, livestock breeding, hatchery, all these things are coming, and it's only members only content. Let's meet there. For now, bye.